Hi everyone, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I'm bringing you another grocery haul from Kroger. I did the Kroger ClickList grocery pickup today, and I think I pretty much got everything I needed. They did a couple of substitutions, and then they had one item that was out of stock. So I think I can manage even without those couple of items, but I'll turn you around and show you what I got. Okay, so the first thing that I picked up was some green onions, and I needed that for my egg roll in a bowl this week. I have some coleslaw, again, egg roll in a bowl. Picked up some shredded cabbage. We're gonna have tacos later this week, and I grabbed some extra romaine because I may have salads later on in the week for lunch. My husband will be having these flour tortillas, and these are 5 SmartPoints per tortilla. A little pricey for me, but he can definitely, you know, have those. Grabbed another gallon of skim milk. That's 3 SmartPoints per cup. I needed some gravy, so I have some of this classic chicken gravy and also this roasted turkey gravy. Do you guys like my nails? I'm still wearing my Halloween nails. I totally have to get that off. I just didn't have time this weekend. So the roasted turkey gravy will be for some hot turkey sandwiches, and the classic chicken gravy I'm gonna have for chicken pot pie. Grabbed my husband some bagels. He really likes these bagels, and these are 8 SmartPoints each, just in case you were wondering. I needed some low-fat crescent rolls. These are going to be, well, they're reduced fat. So they're going to be for the chicken pot pie. So I grabbed 2 of those. There was a really good price on those, so I'll have one for now and one for later. I needed some fat-free half and half for a recipe. I'm going to try a new recipe for, I think it's called white bean chicken chili. I know that it's something like that. White chicken chili bean, I have no idea. So I needed that for that. Grab some more of that French onion dip, and that is 3 SmartPoints for 2 tablespoons. Sometimes you just need chips and dip, so we have that. I'm out of the fajita seasoning mixes, and if you have not tried the Kroger fajita seasoning mix, you are missing out, and I think I say this every time I buy it. So this one is going to be 1 SmartPoint per serving, and I usually make that with chicken fajitas. I also grabbed some turkey gravy. I put these on my click list before I saw the other ones, so I'll just have those for later. You know, Thanksgiving's coming up, so it's okay. For the hot turkey sandwiches, I've got this big, huge turkey breast, so that'll be really good, and I'll have that for leftovers later. $15 for that one. So always good to have, and plus you can have turkey anytime. It's so easy to make, and you can just throw that right in your crock pot. I needed some grape tomatoes, so I have those for just some random salads. I grabbed a lemon this week for my water. I needed some tomato soup for some stuffed pepper soup. I know it's a little overzealous if I'm going to do the chili. I may want to do one or the other, but at least I'll have the ingredients for both depending on which one I decide to do. Cream of chicken soup, and I like to get this healthy request one, so with that when I do my chicken pot pies, it just kind of cuts down on the points a little bit. This one's 2 SmartPoints for a ½ cup serving. There's 2½ servings in this can, so it'll be approximately 6 to 7 points depending on WW math. And then this tomato soup is 4 SmartPoints. I couldn't find the healthy one for this one, so we just went with the regular one for that one. Fat-free cottage cheese, because they don't always have that, and I'm super excited to have that. That is 2 SmartPoints. Nope, 1 SmartPoint for a ½ cup serving. So those were on sale of 2 for $4, so I went ahead and got 2 of those. And to have with those, I think I have some frozen peaches downstairs, but I also got a backup of these sliced peaches. And always remember that if you drain the juice, the canned fruit is 0 SmartPoints. Grab some tortilla chips, and that is going to be 5 SmartPoints per serving. And I just figured if we wanted to have chips and salsa the night that we have tacos, that would be great. I needed corn for a couple of recipes, so I just went ahead and got the big bag of that one. Some Deli Fresh oven roasted turkey breast, that's 1 SmartPoint per serving. I also grabbed 2 large packages of ground chicken, and I'm going to do the chicken tacos with this, as well as I think one of the soups. So I had originally wanted to get some 97, 96 lean ground beef, but they were out of it. So now I have to try to figure out how to contend with either the ground chicken or just figure out what to have later, you know, with this. And then I think I might have one in my freezer, so we might be okay. I went ahead and grabbed some of this light country crock, and this is 1 SmartPoint per tablespoon. So if you're missing like your margarine on your toast, or if you need just butter to like saute in, this is a really good option to have. Grab some green beans, because you know, green beans go really good with everything. I got 2 cans of those, and then I got some sweet peas, just 1 can of those. I grabbed some hominy. And if you've not tried hominy, it's really good. And I like to have this also alongside of our tacos. Just kind of changes it up a little bit. 2 cans of diced tomatoes. And this is the 28-ounce can one. And these are for the stuffed pepper soup. I think I only needed 1, but they were on sale, so I grabbed 2. Picked up some green chilies. I needed 1 for my frittata this week. And 2 of them, I think, for the white bean chicken chili. I think that's what it's called. Grab some nacho cheese. First of all, it was on sale, and it was kind of an impulse buy. I didn't even scan it, because I'm sure it's going to be like super high in points. But I'll scan it. I'll insert that here. But yeah, nacho cheese, because nachos are good. So I might have to have a splurge night and just use some of my weeklies, but we'll see how that goes. Taco night might turn into nacho night, so we'll see. I also grabbed some pinto beans and some Great Northern beans. Of course, the Great Northern beans are going to be for the white chicken chili. And I thought I would try these dryer sheets. They were on sale, so I figured maybe, you know, maybe the Kroger brand would be good. So that is my grocery haul. So are you guys ready for my big ta-da item? Hold please, and I will get that for you. Okay, here it is. I got another rock pan. How cool is this? So we have a BJ's Warehouse that just opened up. It's kind of like a Costco or a Sam's Club, just a little different. And we just opened up in our area here in Michigan. So they had this pan, and I couldn't help myself. Like, I had to have it. This is bigger than any of the other ones that I have currently. So I'm super excited to have this one to, you know, just to make, sometimes you just need a deeper pan. This one's going to be just amazing. So you guys know I love this brand. Starfrit knocked it out of the park when they came up with this rock series. So I have the cookware set, I have the skillets, I have the indoor grill, all in this series. It's just, it's my favorite set of pans right now. So super duper excited about that. While I was there, I also picked up spaghetti sauce and whole grain pasta. So we have that also, and we always keep meatballs in the freezer too. So I can always throw together spaghetti on a Wednesday night, because you know that's Prince Spaghetti Day, if you know, dating myself here. So with that said, I'm going to sign off because now I'm rambling. I want you guys to have a great week. I will try to do a what I ate today this week, so I can kind of share that with you. I know I haven't done one of those in a while, and I need to get back on track with getting those posted for you. So with that said, if you liked today's video, give me a thumbs up. Always leave a comment if you have any questions, and have a great day, and we'll see you, I'm sure, later this week.